Hey everyone, I recently showed you this balisong made from China, and I just thought I'd show you the other balisongs that I have in my possession. Okay, this is the other balisong made from China. This time it's got black wood inserts, and here's the Filipino handmade balisong with, I think it's wooden inserts, either that or it's ox horn. It's what I used to uh, carry around for flipping. Here's one with, I think this is horse bone inserts, brass handles, brass bolsters. Here's one with brass handles and with inserts, a combination of brass and plastic. Here's another China-made balisong, pretty old. This one is actually not mine. This belongs to my wife. She carried it around with her back when she was a college student. Was hanging around. I thought I'd throw it into the mix. And lastly, a little keychain. There. Okay. The China-made balisongs are 5 3/8 of an inch at closed length. Overall length is 9 inches. It'll be same for both. Yeah. This is what I'm using for flipping now. This one I just keep as part of my collection. And like I said, this is what I used to use for flipping. Now, these two weigh 5.11 ounces. The video prior to this one, when I made a video about this one, I annotated the weight as 5.4, but I weighed it again, it's actually 5.11 ounces. This one, however, is only 3.35 ounces, so a lot lighter compared to this one. So when I started flipping this one, gotten used to it, and I flipped it again, man, it was so light compared to that one, and it felt lighter because I gotten used to this one. This felt a lot lighter, surprisingly light. It became so easy for flipping. Yeah, but it's really beaten up and it's wiggling in all directions. So before it falls apart, I just decided to just keep it along with this one, with the as part of the collection before it falls apart. This one I haven't flipped. It can't be flipped because its handles are pretty stiff. It's as stiff as it was when it was bought brand new. Haven't got around to breaking it in yet for flipping. I don't think I will ever do. This one is 4 inches, a little over 4 inches, 4 inches and 1/16 of an inch at closed length. Overall length is 7 3/8 of an inch. This little guy here is 2.65 ounces. No, 2.12 ounces. By the way, this is 2.65. This is 2.12 ounces. 3 inches and 3/8 of an inch closed length. Overall length is 5 inches, almost 6 inches, just shy of a 1/16 of an inch. This one is 3 1/8 of an inch at closed length, and the overall length is 6 inches and 6 3/8 of an inch. And this little guy, I didn't even bother weighing this, but the closed length is 2 1/16 of an inch. Overall length is 3 5/8 of an inch. Okay. Here. And it's not much, but it's mine. That's all. Till next time, take it easy.